Hey guys, today we'll make the best whiskey sour. We'll start with Bourbon 50 ml, then we go with 25 ml of lemon juice, 15 ml of sugar syrup. If you don't know how to do it, I made a video, you can see to the right. Then we add one full egg white. You can do it without egg white. Then I will shake it. Usually you can do it dry shake, so without ice, you shake it later than with ice. Or you do like me. I use one ice ball inside the shaker and I shake it very strong for longer. And this is the final result. Looks very good, right? If you want to learn how to make these cappuccinos as well, then don't forget to subscribe and to press that like button. And then I add a little bit of Angostura bitter, which make this cocktail even better. I don't know, tastes much better with Angostura. I love it. Then orange garnish and voila. Subscribe if you want to learn some more. Bye. See you to the next cocktail.